welcome to another video of creating game in pygame. In this video we are going to focus on creating the window more advanced, and also we are gonna create some simple objects. Okay, now we are in our code, and the first thing we are going to add is FPS limit, and we are gonna achieve it by creating a clock here by setting a variable like this. Clock equals pygame dot time dot clock. Bad one. Yes, like that. And now we have clock object, and we are going to put it somewhere here in our code. So, my bad. Like this, clock dot tick, and we're going to type 60 because we want 60 FPS. And before this, we are gonna write pygame dot display dot flip, because if we don't type it here, the changes which applies to the screen, you won't see them. They will be there, but the display won't be updated. So this is for updating the display. And now we can change the background, I guess. And this is made by this screen dot fill. And you can choose whatever color you want. I will choose probably red. That's right. And you can see it works. It's red. Now we are heading to the second part, which is creating our first object. We will do it with image. I have created a directory here, which I called graphics, and I put image.png in it. It's a pygame logo, so I will try it with it. So just look closely now. I will create the first variable. I will create a surface, and I'll call it image surf. I will set the value to pygame dot image dot load, and after that you're going to type the path here. So for me it's just graphics, and here image.png. I think we have loaded successfully this, and after that we are going to create something which has a position or has its own borders, and this is called rectangle. I will name it image rect, I guess, and here I'll type image surf dot getRect. And now I will set the position. I will choose the center. I will type the half of width and height, which is 200 for each. And now we got the position, we have the surface. I think we can display it to our screen, and we will do it in this part here. And I also forgot to make a comment here, because comments are very important, because the code is more readable with them. Objects, yes. And here I can type screen dot lit. It means basically that we need to put the image on our screen, so we put the screen here. And here we type firstly the surface, which is image surf, and after that we type the image rect, And when we play this, I think we can have the logo displayed. Yes, and as I said it, we have our logo. But I don't like this image because it's too big for the screen, so we should decrease the height and width of it. So I will close this. I will scale it. Look closely. Here I will put this in parentheses, and I will type pygame dot image dot scale by, am I wrong? Pygame dot when you don't know something, just Google it. I will do it right now. Yeah, I forgot it. It's pygame.transform.scale by, and here we're gonna type the number we're gonna be using for the scaling. So I think I should decrease the height and width, so I will type here 0.5 maybe, and we should try to run this code. And as you can see, the image is much smaller, but we could also try some bigger values, like 2 times. It should be 2 times bigger, and yes, it's really big. It fills the whole screen, so I think this works, but I will set it and leave it on the 0.5. Okay, nice. I think this is good. And from me, this is everything, I guess. Yes. See you in the next episode. Bye.